how to upload photos on ChatGPT app. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to ask something specific about your photos on ChatGPT but don't know how to upload them? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open ChatGPT app on a mobile device. You will land on the new chat screen. If you wish, you can also open one of your previously saved chats. To do that, tap on the two horizontal lines. A menu will appear. From the chat section, open any of your saved chat. But for this tutorial, I will continue with a new chat. Now, to upload an image or photo on ChatGPT, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Then, tap on the Photos option. Your device gallery or Google Photos will open up. Select the image that you want to upload and ask about in ChatGPT. Once selected, the image will be uploaded. If you wish, you can send it without a prompt by tapping the send button. However, I prefer writing a prompt. To write a prompt, tap on Message ChatGPT to bring up the typing interface. Then, type in your prompt. For example, I will write, "What's this image about?" Finally, tap the send button. As you can see, I have uploaded an image of the YouTube Shorts logo and asked what it's about. Then, ChatGPT replied instantly and correctly. Similarly, you can upload your own images of your choice and ask ChatGPT about them. And boom! You have successfully learned how to upload images or photos on ChatGPT. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.